We are looking at it in three ways. One is to be more efficient and effective at what we do, whether it's the supply chain or the marketing pieces or our manufacturing systems. Second is to use these tools to solve problems that we were not able to solve yesterday. And classical case being, we do some climate risk modeling now for our adaptation plans, which we could not do earlier. And third is, how are we using this to create new business opportunities?
Right.
And the examples are ITC Mars, which is a new business opportunity for us, and it creates a lot of societal values because it empowers farmers. Right. ITC Fresh Fruits is also leveraging our capabilities, but riding on the digital ecosystem, which has created a new business opportunity for us. So it's really around all these three pillars that we're looking at technology in ITC.
Yeah. ITC went through a demerger with the hotel business. In terms of, ITC, the group evolving, you see more demergers happening. How do you see the structure, the corporate structure of ITC evolving, say, maybe in the near to medium term?
It's like this, that, we have to, the organization strategy has to be done in a fashion that makes the enterprise more competitive, that positions it well to succeed and create enduring value. And these are things that we evaluate from time to time, look at the pros and cons in each arrangement, and whatever is best suited in a particular context is what we progress with. Given the amount of advantages we have through synergy, at the moment we believe that the arrangement we have works well for us. We did hotels because of the opportunity that's there in the hospitality landscape, and we believe that a standalone entity, which is going to be focused on hospitality, will bring in a lot of value. It will help it to grow faster, and it has a very strong position in the market to stand on its own. That's why we did the hospitality.
Yeah. On hotels, are you looking to open more hotels? Are you going to expand that?
Yes, absolutely. We are opening hotels every month.
Okay. All right. And any further investments, especially, in the tobacco and FMCG businesses, are you envisaging?
Investment is integral to our business plans because we want to grow rapidly. So we have a capex of about 20,000 crores for the medium term, and it spans all our businesses.
That's the word coming in from Sanjeev Puri. And ITC Hotels, both these stocks in focus on the back of that important commentary. On that note, we need to slip into a very short break, but more news and updates will continue on the other side.